Greetings! Today we're going to prepare a super easy recipe for cauliflower crumbs with scrambled eggs that I'm sure you'll love. I'll leave the ingredients and quantities at the end of the video and in the description. We'll start by pouring a little olive oil into a non-stick frying pan. When it's hot, add finely chopped onion, and season with salt and ground pepper to taste. Sauté the onion for 5 minutes over medium-high heat. Here we have a 450-gram bag of frozen cauliflower crumbs that also contains onion, garlic, parsley, and salt. After 5 minutes, add the frozen cauliflower to the sautéed onion. And sauté it for about 10 minutes over the same heat. While the cauliflower is cooking, put 3 eggs in a large bowl, add salt and chopped parsley, and beat them very well. Now add the cauliflower to the eggs and mix everything together. Next, add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil to the same pan. Once it's hot, add the scrambled eggs and cauliflower. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat, stirring constantly, and that's it. Check out this easy recipe for cauliflower crumbs with scrambled eggs. I'm sure you'll love it. Thanks, and see you in the next video.